Hello every friend. Today we are introduced to you our large format roller UV printer. Nice roll and body shape design. Best ink supply system, use double continuous huge capacity ink supply system. Full 1.8 meter printing width. Double UV lamp with quickly dry materials, best control panel with automatic cleaning system. This is UV cooling machine, can also adjust UV lamp big or small. Here is background of this machine. Double CISS system. Automatic paper feeding system. Video made by Crossway Industry. Products name, Roller UV Printer CY1800. Contact us if any question.